Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the topic name is transversal. Okay, we know a line which intersects another two lines which are parallel. Okay, now a line which intersects two parallel lines at two distinct points. Okay, there forms an 8 angles. For example, you see the figure. These are the two lines. Okay, now I'm giving the name. This is line M and this is line N. These two are parallel lines. Yes or no? Because of these two are not having any common point. Is it clear? So another line transversal. Another line, what nana? That is N. Another line L which is intersect the two parallel lines M and N at two distinct points. What are they? Here and here. They form a 8 angles. This is point P and this is point Q. Okay, now they form a 8 angles. See there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now L is a transversal and M and N, these two are parallel lines. Now see Nana, you observe the different types of angles when a transversal intersects the two parallel lines. These are interior angles. First of all, interior angles. Interior angles means you see inside. What are they? 3, 4, 5, 6. You can write angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. Okay, and like that only exterior angles. Exterior angles. Exterior angles means what? Outside. What are they? 1, 2, 7, 8. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, angle 8. Is it clear, my dears? Interior are these, exterior are these. Okay, next, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles means what? They are see these two are vertically opposite angles, means angle 2 comma angle 4, yes, and as well as angle 3 comma angle 1, angle 3 comma angle 1. These two are vertically opposite, these two are vertically opposite. Similarly, like that only angle 6, angle 8, these two are vertically opposite angles. Like that only angle 7, angle 5, angle 7, angle 5. These two also vertically opposite angles. We know that each pair of vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, now see corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Okay, see now non-adjacent angles. The angles are non-adjacent angles. Okay, and as well as one is exterior and one is interior. One is exterior, one is interior. So see here clearly angle 1 comma angle 5. These two are corresponding angles, and as well as see one is interior and one is exterior. Angle 4 comma angle 8. These two are corresponding angle, non-adjacent angles, and as well as lie on the same side of a transversal. Same side transversal ki same side unnai, but non-adjacent angles. Okay na? So one is interior, one is exterior, and like that only angle 2, angle 6. These two are what? This one and this one. angle 2, angle 6. These are corresponding angles, and like that only angle 7 interior, angle 3 is interior, angle 7 is exterior. So we can write angle 3 comma angle 7. So these are what, Nana? These are corresponding angles. So we would have a statement that one is each pair of corresponding angles are equal. Is it clear? Now next, interior alternate angles. Interior alternate angles. Interior alternate angles. See, observe here. Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. These are interior angles. But alternate means what are they? They are angle 3, angle 5. Okay? And as well as angle 6, angle 4. Okay, na? So these are alternate interior angles. Like this, these two and these two. Next, interior angles on the same side of a transversal. Interior angles on the same side of a transversal. Okay, so what are they? Interior angles are 4, 5, but on the same side of a transversal means this only. Now you can write angle 4 plus angle 5. Ante interior angles on the same side of a transversal are supplementary. What is the condition, Nana? Supplementary means angle 4 plus angle 5 is equals to, that is 180 degrees. Okay, na? And like that only, what are the interior angles on the same side of a transversal? 3, 6. Angle 3 plus angle 6 is equals to 180 degrees. So the sum of the interior angles on the same side of a transversal are supplementary. So this is the statement. Now I'm going to explain some problems based on this model. Okay, students, see one problem in this model. Okay, so you observe, Nana, clearly here CD is parallel to AB. Yes or no? CD is parallel to AB, and AB and CD, these two lines are, the line AB and the line CD are parallel lines, means they do not intersect. Yes, and EF is another line. It is a transversal which intersects the another two lines CD and AB at G and H. The question is given here 2x degrees, here y degrees, and here 3x degrees. Then find the value of x. Find the value of x degrees comma y degrees. Okay, so you just observe now. You do have some idea what we discussed at the previous topic. What these two angles? Interior angles, first of all. Interior angle, but alternate. Yes, alternate interior angles are equal. So we can write here from the figure y degrees is equal to 3x degrees. Why these two are equal means interior alternate angles are equal. What is the statement, Nana? Interior alternate angles are equal. That's why y degrees is equals to 3x degrees. Then you observe here, these two are adjacent angles now. These two are adjacent angles. Two adjacent angles whose sum is a straight angle. They form a linear pair na. ఇక్కడ ఏం ఫామ్ అయింది? Linear pair. Then we can write here 2x degrees plus y degrees is equals to 180 degrees because of that is linear pair. Linear pair అంటే two adjacent angles whose sum is equal to straight angle. Okay na? Then we can write 2x degrees plus y degrees అంటే y degrees is equals to what nana? That is 3x degrees. So that is equals to 180 degrees. Now 2x degrees plus 3x degrees what nana? That is 5x degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Now we can write by transposing 5x degrees, I mean 5 into x degrees. Then transposing 5 to rx side, we get that is x degrees is equals to 180 degrees by 5. 5 ones are 5 threes are 15 and 5 eights are 40. So we get what nana? X degrees is equals to what? That is 38 degrees. X degrees is equals to 38 degrees means then we get 2x. We want what nana? 2x degrees. మనకి ఏం కావాలి? 2x degrees and 3x degrees. So 2x degrees is equals to 2 into 38 degrees. 2 into 38 means what? That is 76 degrees. So like that only 3x degrees means that is అంటే y degrees is equals to 3x degrees is equals to that is 3 into 38 degrees. 3 8s are 24. The 3s are 9 plus 2 11. 114 degrees. Now 114 plus 76. So these are the angles. Okay na? Required angles. While we are going to add these two angles, 6 ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేస్తే we get okay students, see here once by cancelling 5 3s are 15. ఇక్కడ 3 ఉంటుంది, beside number is 0 means that is 30. 5 6 are 30 means we get x value is that is 36 degrees means that is 2x degrees means that is 2 into 36 what now? That is 72 degrees. And like that only 3 into 3x degrees is equals to that is 3 into 36 means what? That is 108 degrees. So 108 plus 72 means again we get that is 180 degrees. Okay.